Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. A place for health information and education. How are you all? I pray that you are always healthy and achieve your dreams and success. Today with me, Dr. Ibrahim, will diving into a topic of immense importance, especially for those of us navigating the journey of aging: muscle loss. It's a natural, yet often overlooked, challenge that can significantly impact our strength, vitality, and overall quality of life. But what if I told you there's a powerful, natural ingredient that could be your secret weapon in combating this decline, an ingredient many are still unaware of? Today we're unveiling β-Hydroxybutyrate, or HMBBB, the muscle-building compound that truly deserves your attention, especially if you're over the age of 50. You see, as we age, our bodies naturally become less efficient at producing and utilizing certain substances vital for health. For muscle, one of these critical compounds is HMBBB. It's a metabolite of the branched-chain amino acid leucine, and it plays a crucial role in both preventing muscle protein breakdown and stimulating muscle protein synthesis. Think of it as your body's internal architect for muscle maintenance and repair. The problem is, our ability to produce this substance declines significantly as we get older, leaving our muscles more vulnerable to degradation. But there's good news. While supplementation is an option, nature also provides us with incredible foods that can support this exact same muscle-preserving process. These foods act synergistically to help your body maintain and even rebuild muscle, providing the raw materials and signals needed for muscle health. Let's explore 7 power-packed foods that can supercharge your muscle-building efforts. First on our list is none other than cottage cheese, a humble yet mighty food that's been a part of human diets for centuries. This creamy dairy delight is not just a tasty treat, it's an excellent source of casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady release of amino acids into your bloodstream. This sustained supply is particularly beneficial for overnight muscle recovery and growth. Unlike whey protein, which is rapidly digested, casein's gradual breakdown ensures a consistent stream of amino acids reaching your muscle cells even while you sleep. This makes cottage cheese a fantastic pre-bedtime snack, allowing your body to capitalize on the anabolic window even if you're not actively eating. It's like having a personal muscle-building bodyguard working tirelessly while you rest. And here's an added bonus. Cottage cheese is also rich in calcium and phosphorus, vital nutrients that play key roles in energy metabolism, making it a wholesome, nutritious choice for those seeking to build and preserve muscle. Next up, let's talk about Greek yogurt, a creamy, tangy delight that's been enjoyed across cultures for millennia. What makes Greek yogurt stand out is its high protein content. In fact, it typically boasts more than double the protein per serving compared to regular yogurt. This protein powerhouse is a fantastic source of amino acids, the building blocks of muscle, assisting in repair and growth. Additionally, Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support gut health. A healthy gut aids in nutrient absorption, including those essential for muscle maintenance. This makes Greek yogurt a great choice for those looking to optimize their diet for muscle health. Its high protein and probiotic content work together to ensure your body gets the best from what you eat, maximizing your nutrition and supporting both muscle and gut health. Now let's turn our attention to eggs, a true marvel of nature and a staple in countless diets worldwide. Eggs are celebrated for their nutritional profile, often dubbed as nature's perfect protein due to their complete amino acid profile. They provide all the essential amino acids required for muscle building and maintenance. Additionally, eggs are packed with nutrients like vitamin D, selenium, and choline, all vital for optimal muscle function and recovery. Their versatility in cooking and affordability make eggs an accessible and effective addition to a muscle-building diet. Whether scrambled, poached, or boiled, eggs remain a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a simple, cost-effective way to boost your protein intake and support overall muscle health. Our next superfood is salmon, a king of the oceans renowned for its rich flavor and impressive health benefits. Salmon is a complete protein source, delivering all essential amino acids for muscle maintenance and growth. Moreover, it's loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for reducing inflammation and supporting heart health. Omega-3 South play a significant role in muscle recovery by decreasing inflammation, which can hinder muscle growth. By incorporating salmon into your diet, you're providing your body with anti-inflammatory compounds that promote faster healing and better performance. Whether grilled, baked, or pan-seared, salmon remains a delicious, nutritious choice for those prioritizing muscle health and overall well-being. Beef takes the spotlight next, a classic powerhouse that has sustained humans for generations. Beef provides a complete amino acid profile, ensuring it contributes to muscle health and repair. It's also rich in iron, crucial for oxygen transport in the body, supporting energy levels during workouts. Additionally, beef supplies zinc and B vitamins, essential for protein synthesis and energy metabolism. Choosing leaner cuts helps to minimize saturated fat intake. Regular consumption of lean beef can contribute to muscle growth and maintenance, making it a staple for those focused on physical strength and vitality. Midway through our list, we feature whey protein. Whey protein, derived from milk, is a popular supplement among athletes and those focused on fitness. It's renowned for its high protein content and rapid digestion. This swift digestion allows amino acids to reach muscle cells quickly, stimulating protein synthesis promptly after consumption. Whey protein is particularly effective post-workout when muscles are primed for recovery. Its fast-digesting nature ensures nutrients are available when the body needs them most. Among various protein sources, whey stands out, making it an excellent choice for those seeking to maximize muscle growth and recovery. As we near the end of our list, we turn to quinoa, a remarkable grain that holds a special place among health enthusiasts. Quinoa is a complete protein, offering all essential amino acids. This is rare for plant-based foods and makes it a standout for vegetarians and vegans. Its protein content is complemented by fiber, vitamins, and minerals like magnesium and iron. Quinoa's balanced amino acid profile supports muscle health, while its fiber content aids digestion. Its versatility in recipes adds to its appeal, whether as a side dish, salad base, or breakfast porridge. Quinoa's combination of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients positions it as an excellent choice for those incorporating plant-based foods into their muscle-building diets. In conclusion, our exploration of these 7 foods reveals a simple truth: muscle building and maintenance don't require complex, hard-to-source ingredients. Nature and science have provided us with readily available, wholesome options that can make a substantial difference. From the casein protein in cottage cheese to the complete amino acids in beef, each food brings unique benefits to the table. Remember, the key often lies in consistency and balance. Incorporating these foods into a well-rounded diet, combined with a focus on overall health and active lifestyle, can lead to significant improvements in muscle strength and body composition. As you age, your body changes, but with the right fuel, it can continue to adapt and thrive. Thank you for watching, and remember to like this video, subscribe for more valuable health insights, and share it with anyone who could benefit from this knowledge. Stay strong, stay healthy.